Let's learn the scoot. This is going to help improve your backwards skating, your 1 foot balance, 1 foot turns, and your spins. So the first thing we need to do is to roll backwards and do a 1 foot heel manual. So transfer all the weight to this leg and lift this one. Back to center, weight over here, and lift that one. So get comfortable doing that first. A lot of this move is done on 1 foot backwards, which I know is scary. So holding onto a chair, there's an exercise we can do together to get you used to the idea. So far, we've been doing a swap. But what we need to do now is to swap onto 1 foot. So you're there, and it goes down, and we're gonna swap. There, down, and swap. So I'm getting a little pull back here to roll my feet so they can swap over. Once you're feeling more confident at the chairs, you can take it on the roll. So when you swap feet, you have to fully transfer so you can lift. So I'm going to transfer my weight to that foot, fully transfer the weight. For the scoot bit, we definitely want to come back to the chair because this is quite tricky. So what we're going to do is you think of it as an inside turn. So the weight's going to go onto the front of your foot and you're going to lift the heel slightly so it can slip. And you're going to pull the back around the inside. So you don't want to go to the outside, you want to come inside. Right, so I'm going to stand on my right foot and my left leg is going to go out here. Now, I'm going to scoot, so I'm going to put my weight towards my toes so I can free up my back wheels. And as I do this, I'm going to bring my knee in. So I'm going to make this action. So I'm out like that, weight on the ball of my foot, and I'm going to use this knee to pull me around. And what else do I always use? My shoulders. Here. So you do need to be able to progress to do this on both feet, but there's no reason why you can't just do your favourite foot until you get comfortable with that so you can get the idea of the movement and then go to the one that feels slightly more awkward. So the other way is left foot, leg out, and now as I turn towards the inside of my foot, I'm going to bring my knee up and turn my shoulder, like that. So if you've got sticky wheels on, I can slip. If you've got sticky wheels, you're going to have to put slightly more weight on the ball of your foot so you can lift a little bit more. Because this is quite a tricky 1 foot backwards move, we're going to put it all together, but we're going to stay here just until you get the rhythm of it. Weight on the right foot, left leg out, and then we're going to do the scoot. Bring your knee up here. Then we're going to put the manual on the end. Ah, you see, it all makes sense. Then we're going to swap feet, and then this leg goes to the side. Going to do the knee in, scoot, manual, swap feet, leg out, scoot, manual, swap feet, leg out, scoot, manual. It's all making sense. Okay, let's try it moving. So rolling backwards, whichever foot you feel the most secure on, leg to the side, and then you're going to do this same movement here. So you've turned 45 degrees to be traveling this way. You need to get the full 45-degree turn for safety. So you're traveling now in this direction. And you see how my shoulders have done it as well. So I'm here, shoulders, and then foot down. That's going to really help to stabilize you getting that foot down. If you think about it, you're back on 2 feet again. So I'm here, down. So really what you need to do is to get comfortable with this 45-degree turn and the manual on each foot before you put it all together. So once they are locked in, you can add the little transfer that we did at the beginning, and that's the move. So let's do it. So little scoot, manual. Then I'm going to transfer my weight and do the scoot in the other direction. Manual, transfer, scoot, manual, transfer, scoot, manual. Now this will get quicker and quicker, and what I find is when I'm doing it faster, my 45-degree turn tends to end up at about a 180. So I'll show you it quicker so you can see what I mean. So as I said at the beginning, this helps with lots of other skills. So obviously we're going to improve our backwards skating because we're skating backwards all the time, but it's really, really good for your balance because all that work we did at the chair, a beginners, anyone can follow along with that. And it's great for getting just your balance, getting your skates under you. But did you notice that that inside turn is also what we do on a 1-foot spin? So it's a little bit of a 1-foot spin to get that feeling in there as well. And of course, we use the same action when we do turns. So it helps all these skills and just helps cement them in. So that's what it's all a scoot. Yeah, I know, that's terrible. I'm Katie, you've been watching Skatey, and I'll see you next time.